Zealandia, sometimes referred to as Te Riu-Mdui or Tasmantis, is a remarkable submerged continent located in the southwest Pacific Ocean. It spans a vast area of 4.9 million square kilometers, with approximately 93% of its landmass submerged beneath the ocean's surface. The only parts of Zealandia visible above sea level are the islands of New Zealand, New Caledonia, and some smaller surrounding islands. Despite its mostly hidden nature, Zealandia holds immense geological and biological significance, offering a unique window into Earth's history and the dynamics of tectonic activity. Key characteristics: mostly submerged. Zealandia stands out for being predominantly underwater, unlike other continents, where vast portions are above the surface. This submerged landmass is largely hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean, with only a small fraction visible. The unique nature of this continental mass challenges conventional ideas about what defines a continent, as most continents are primarily landmasses above the water. Continental crust. One of the defining features of Zealandia is that it consists of continental crust. This type of crust is thicker and less dense compared to the oceanic crust that forms the ocean floor. Continental crust is typically found in the landmasses of the Earth, and Zealandia's presence as a submerged landmass composed of this type of crust supports the argument for its classification as a continent. Its crust is also older than the surrounding oceanic crust, providing additional evidence of its continental nature. Diverse geology. Zealandia exhibits a fascinating variety of geological features. These include mountain ranges, volcanic activity, and sedimentary basins. The landmasses of New Zealand and New Caledonia are part of Zealandia's geological structure. In New Zealand, for example, the rugged terrain includes the Southern Alps, which are an active geological region with numerous fault lines and evidence of seismic activity, ancient rocks and formations that offer valuable insights into the processes of plate. Zealandia's submerged areas also contain tectonics, continental drift, and the shaping of Earth's surface over millions of years. Rich biodiversity. Despite being mostly submerged, Zealandia supports a rich and diverse array of flora and fauna. The unique conditions of Zealandia have led to the development of distinctive ecosystems. New Zealand, which is the most prominent part of Zealandia above sea level, is home to iconic species such as the kiwi bird, the world's smallest dolphin, the Hector's dolphin, and a wide variety of plant species. The isolation of Zealandia has contributed to the evolution of unique species that cannot be found anywhere else in the world. Additionally, the waters surrounding Zealandia are home to diverse marine life, including unique fish, sea turtles, and marine mammals. Discovery and recognition. For many years, the idea of Zealandia as a separate continent was met with skepticism. The concept was first proposed in the 1990s by geologists who noticed the geological similarities between the landmasses of New Zealand and New Caledonia and the submerged areas around them. However, it wasn't until 2017 that a team of scientists published compelling evidence in a paper that Zealandia meets the criteria to be considered a continent. These criteria include having a distinct geological identity, an area larger than 1 million square kilometers, and being composed mostly of continental crust. This paper marked a significant milestone in the recognition of Zealandia. The findings were widely accepted by the geological community, and Zealandia was officially recognized as a continent. This recognition underscores the dynamic and evolving nature of Earth's geology, which continually presents new discoveries that challenge our understanding of the planet. The recognition of Zealandia as a continent has several important implications. First, it highlights the dynamic nature of Earth's geology. Zealandia's classification as a continent is a reminder that our planet is not static. Rather, it is constantly undergoing geological processes such as plate tectonics, continental drift, and subduction. Secondly, Zealandia's recognition emphasizes the importance of continued exploration and research in underexplored regions of the Earth. Much of Zealandia remains submerged, offering vast opportunities for future scientific studies. Research into Zealandia can provide valuable information about Earth's past, particularly its geological history and the movement of tectonic plates. Finally, the acknowledgement of Zealandia as a continent draws attention to the need to protect this unique and largely unexplored region. As global awareness of environmental issues grows, Zealandia's biodiversity and pristine ecosystems are vulnerable to human activities, particularly oceanic exploration and resource extraction. Efforts to preserve this submerged landmass and its surrounding marine environments are crucial for maintaining its ecological integrity. Interesting facts about Zealandia. 1. The world's thinnest, smallest, and most submerged continent. Zealandia holds the title of being the world's thinnest continent, with its continental crust only 20 to 30 kilometers thick. It is also the smallest recognized continent by area, but its submerged nature makes it the most submerged continent in terms of surface area beneath the sea. 2. Breakaway from Gondwana. Zealandia was once part of the supercontinent Gondwana, which included other landmasses such as Antarctica, Australia, South America, and Africa. About 83 to 79 million years ago, Zealandia began to break away from Gondwana, eventually sinking beneath the ocean. This process of separation and subsidence played a key role in its current state as a submerged continent. 3. Mount Cook. The highest point of Zealandia is Mount Cook Rocky, located on the South Island of New Zealand. It reaches an impressive height of 3,724 meters, 12,182 feet above sea level, making it the highest peak in New Zealand. While Mount Cook is part of Zealandia's exposed landmass, the rest of the continent remains submerged beneath the Pacific Ocean. Zealandia is an extraordinary example of Earth's geological history, offering valuable insights into the processes of continental drift, plate tectonics, and the evolution of the planet's surface. Its recognition as a continent challenges traditional ideas about what constitutes a landmass and highlights the importance of continued exploration and research into Earth's less explored regions. Zealandia's unique geological and ecological features make it a subject of significant scientific interest, with potential for future discoveries that could deepen our understanding of Earth's dynamic systems.